morning, Shemstars. Welcome to class. Today we will continue with our chapter. We are doing chapter number 6 of political science, and the name of the chapter is political parties. And today we will cover the following topics: reformation of political party and other suggestions of reformation of political parties. So let us start with our chapter. Now we start how reformation of political parties. In order to face the challenges, political party need to be reformed. Some of the recent efforts and suggestions in our country to reform the political parties are anti-defection law. According to this law, MLAs or MPs cannot change the party after the election. If any MLA or MP changes party, he or she will lose the seat in the legislature. This was done because many elected representatives was indulging in defection in order to become minister or for cash rewards. This new law has helped bring defection down. MPs and MLAs have to accept whatever their party leaders decide. Now here I want to clear the meaning of defection. Changing party from the party on which a person got elected to a legislative body to a different party. Means the changing of party from one to another is known as defection. Next we can detail of property and criminal cases. In order to reduce the influence of money and criminals, the Supreme Court of our country passed an order. Now it became mandatory for every candidate who contests election to file an affidavit giving detail of his property and criminal cases pending against him. But there is no system to check if the information given by the candidate is true or not. So now it is mandatory for every candidate who contests election to file an affidavit giving detail of his property and criminal cases pending against him or her. Next is file an income tax return. The Election Commission passed an order making it necessary for political parties to hold their organizational elections and file their income tax returns. The parties have started doing so, but sometimes it is merely formality. There are some other suggestions of reformation of political party. A law should be made to regulate the internal affair of political party. It should be made compulsory for political parties to maintain a register of its members, to follow its own constitution, to have an independent authority, to act as a judge in case of party disputes, and to hold open election to the highest post. Second, it should be made mandatory for political parties to give a minimum number of tickets to women candidates. Third, there should be state funding of elections. The government should give parties money to support their election expenses. There are two other ways in which political party can be reformed. First, people can put pressure on political party through petition, publicity or agitation. Second, political party can improve if those who want this join political parties. The quality of democracy will improve by the degree of public participation and awareness. Thank you, students. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom. Take care.